In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, use this icon of a color palette at the top of it and tap on any of those themes to apply a perfect one. I will go with this one. Now manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you finished, hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, go back to the same settings. And this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!